We founded the Bureau because we were lacking words and a greater lexicon to describe emotions and experiences we and others are having as our world rapidly changes due to climate change and other anthropogenic events.
In 2014, we came together during an unusually warm winter. As sentient beings, we were enjoying this unseasonably warm, sunny weather.
But at the same time, via a highly scientific process, we noticed that something was not right with this unusually warm weather.
We tried to verbally communicate this dissonance between mind and body and found that we were at a loss for words.
Indeed, we found ourselves searching for the right words to describe this feeling, and in this very moment, the need to create new words, and ideally, a greater lexicon to communicate to one another about our rapidly changing environment. And so, the Bureau of Linguistical Reality was born.
Our first official word was psychic corpus dissonance. Psychic corpus dissonance, or PCD, is used to describe this unseasonably warm, sunny weather during times that have historically been winter. And the subsequent feeling of ecstatic and elated feelings in this warm, sunny weather, well, having a nagging, worrisome concern that this beautiful weather we are enjoying might be deeply amiss.
Many Bureau participants have reported experiencing PCD when enjoying the unseasonably warm weather, creating their own synonyms, including Obenhagenweer, meaning literally eerie weather, created by Guido Sonnenberg as a new Dutch term for watching people enjoy weather you worry is a harbinger of the climate chaos.
And we have Lissonance by Steve Wilson and Anthony Shore. And finally, for this term, we have Shot in February by Gilbert Dead. As we are in our work, the Bureau of Linguistical Reality accepts an unlimited number of similar synonyms.
The Bureau's name is inspired by the linguistic relativity hypothesis, which holds that language affects the ways in which its speakers conceptualize their world. In short, words influence our thoughts, action, culture, and ultimately worldviews.
At the Bureau of Linguistical Reality, we reference this term, linguistic relativity, playfully, but believe sincerely that until we have the language to describe the changing world around us, we will not be able to fully grasp what is happening. To this end, the Bureau of Linguistical Reality is solemnly tasked with generating new words and inviting others to create new words that represent our rapidly changing environment.